Clear.
2 bridges.
Still got a bit of snow in their car park, isn't they? Yeah.
We got to turn left somewhere.
Yeah, up here. This is how you get to Wistman's Wood, by the way. So this bit here, where it's Morden Hampstead, off to the left here.
Where's the snow stuff?
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering now. Seems 2 bridges had it, didn't it? Wait till we get up a bit further.
Whoever was behind us, we've left them for dead. This is a lovely bit of road, this.
Views along here are fantastic. So I used to bring Steve, when he was alive, visit his mum, because she lived in Chagford. We used to have to come up this way. That's deepest, darkest Dartmoor.
Pasty, I didn't need to eat it at the moment, did I?
No.
Could have kept it like you keeping yours.
Yeah, exactly.
Silly boy.
Right.
Oh, never mind. There is a pasty shop up here.
Yeah, there is.
Probably cost about £8 or 12.
Yeah.
Being here, but.
Well, there's Bellover Forest, where that was covered in snow earlier on today. Whoa, look at this. Christ. Yeah, someone posted pictures earlier of Bellover Forest and it was a whiteout.
Shame. Never mind. There's no snow, is there? None.
Keep going. There was I noticed a peak ahead there was. Let's see if we can spot it when we get over this way. So far, 2 bridges was the one, wasn't it?
Yeah. I do think the worst of the weather could be back in town, you know.
No, we'll head back. Yeah. Once we've done this, we'll head to the coast.
Yeah.
Get a real battering.
I don't know whether to go down to Downderry or just go on to the Hoe.
I don't know, mate. Oh, look at this. Wow. Wowee. As they say in the continent.
There's lots of pictures to be had of everywhere flooded.
There's just snow on that tour over there. Keep going because I'm not even at Postbridge yet.
It's just up here in the trees, isn't it?
No, further.
Is it?
This is Bellover Forest. Postbridge is further up.
Am I thinking of Clapper Bridge or something?
Yeah. Postbridge is right up high. So we'll keep going.
Okay.
And then we can turn around there, come back on ourselves.
Okay.
There's still remnants of it here, look.
Yeah.
It's a nice forest to walk through that, actually. I might do that again one day.
Where do you park for here then?
There's a car park in a minute. There's a right-hand turn.
Oh.
There's a car park. A lot of dogging goes on. Dog walking, I mean.
Right.
Yes, we're getting there, look. We're getting there, Paul.
Bit more of the way stuff.
Trust me now, trust me. Here we are, keep going.
Car park on the left, isn't it?
Well, no, for the forest it's on the right, but I think...
Well, where do you want us to go?
Keep going.
Just keep going.
Yeah, keep going for now. There, Bellever car park's that way. But we need to keep going, just keep going. Because we've not even got to, this is the bottom end of Postbridge, if that makes sense.
Yeah, no, sure.
We want to go up to the top end where the pub is.
I've been out to here and stopped here and spoke to the lady in the shop. I came here to take fucking hell.
What?
Look at the fucking river. Shit. Look how flooded it is. Christ. It's full. That's a torrent compared to what I saw in summer.
That is a torrent.
Bloody hell, no, it doesn't look like that. In the side. Jesus.
Still got white on the roofs. It's clinging on here, isn't it? From that bit they had earlier. It's time to go through this water. Because the pub's up here somewhere, isn't it?
I haven't been out yet.
Haven't you? Oh, keep going, Paul. There's a lovely little pub. We'll get a cider, and I'm joking. Look at this. Christ alive. God.
Yeah, get all the little streams.
Get in there. Right.
Sunshine. What?
It's going slower now for some reason. What's he wanting to do? Right.
Snow's gone.
Snow's gone, but this is the high ground. Oh, nice views over there.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Right, I want to find a car park somewhere.
That's alright, the pub will be up here. Just keep going.
Just keep going.
Yeah, keep going. The pub will be along here.
Right.
There is a pub, trust me.
Okay.
And then you can turn around there. But yeah, it's all fucking gone, isn't it? Lovely view there, isn't it?
Yeah, I want to get some pictures of it.
Yeah. Cool. What a lot.
To get lots of pictures. Get up
Look at that sky. Someone on your ass, they want to be around you, don't they? They're obviously local. Cool. Cool. Look at this. This is the pub coming up, Paul. They're all parked up here, look.
Where should we park? Down in front, down by the vans.
He's going in there, look. Yeah, go down by the van, I reckon. Where that camper van is, yeah?
This one?
Yeah.
Space here.
Yeah, that looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Go in easy.
I'm worried about that. Yeah, go on, fuck off. Oh. Ground clearance.
You're alright, you're in. Boom.
Hey, they're German.
Yeah.
Deutsch.
Deutschland.
Are you okay there for a...
Yeah, what's he doing?
Yeah, we're fine.
Right, so I'll turn off the record.
Yeah, thanks.
How do I do it again?